Hello, today we'll be writing a simple Java class. This is the completed class. It is a class that writes to the screen the words hello for Gaui. We begin by writing identification comments that provide to the user a description of the class, the name of the class author, the email of the class author, and the date the class was last changed. You'll note that these comments are written using the Java doc form and will be available to the user of this class when this class is processed using the Java doc command. Step 2 is to declare the class with the line public class for Gaui. Public class means that this class is available to other classes. A class must be saved in a .java file that matches the declared name of the class. The name of this class is for Gaui. We must save this class in a file for Gaui.java. Step 3 is to bound the class. We do so with the opening and closing curly brackets. They indicate the beginning and ending of the class. Opening curly brackets open to the right, closing curly brackets open to the left. You'll note the one-line comment after the closing curly bracket. This bracket ends the class. I find it helpful to comment brackets for readability. Step 4 is to declare the main method. The main method is the method that will be called when the class is executed. We declare the main method with the line public static void main string args. Public means that this method is accessible to classes outside this class. Static means that we do not have to declare an instance of this class to call the main method. Void means that this method does not return any information. And main is the name given to the method that will be called when this class is executed. We always name this method main. String args. Arguments may be passed to the main method. These arguments will be passed when the class is executed. If arguments are passed, they will be stored in an array. That's what the opening and closing square brackets indicate. An array of strings that will be called args. Step 5 is to bound the main method with opening and closing curly brackets and a comment after the closing curly bracket. Note that these curly brackets are indented for readability. Step 6 is to write the body of the main method. The body of our method is a call to the method print of the object system.out, passing to it the argument hello for Gaui. The print method will print what is passed to it, what is written within the parentheses. The method will write what is within the parentheses to the screen. In this case, the argument is the string hello for Gaui. We know that it is a string because it is enclosed in quotation marks. Whatever is enclosed in quotation marks will be printed exactly as it is to the screen. The line system.out.println, hello for Gaui, ends with a semicolon. This indicates that this line is to be executed. All of the other lines of the class have been comments, declaration, or bounding lines. They do not result in an action being taken. This line, system.out.println, hello for Gaui, requires the action of writing to the screen. That is execution, and therefore it ends with a semicolon. Here is our completed class. As we write classes, we remember to include identification comments, the declaration of the class, the bounding of the class, the declaration of the main method, the bounding of the main method, and the writing of the main method body. Thank you very much.